in all vehicle types and all terrain. Driving safety hazards are hard to manage, but interpretation of data can help us to focus on key problem areas. Dividing hazards into equipment, environment, driver and third-party behavior. 25 incidents involved problems with equipment or equipment failure. 30 incidents were related to environmental conditions. 83 incidents involved driver behavior, over 3/4 of all incidents. 33 incidents involved third parties. It is vital that vehicles are well maintained, fit for purpose and fit for use. Maintenance and inspection were an issue in nearly 1/4 of all incidents. Simple checks can reduce the risks. Do you check your vehicle before every journey? If you break down, are you prepared? Environmental conditions can change in seconds. Taking time to plan for all eventualities is essential. Have you planned your route to reduce hazards and checked the weather forecast for the complete journey? How will you respond to different environmental conditions? The driver is the #1 factor in incidents. 70% of all incidents involved issues with identification of and response to hazards. The influence of the driver can be split into 3 areas. The first is mental and physical state. How often have you convinced yourself you are fit to drive when you're actually tired? We must all take responsibility for assessing our own and others' fitness to drive. Driver skill levels. Training or implementation of that training has been identified as an issue in 1/3 of incidents. Do you feel confident that you have the right training? Do you need a refresher course? Driver behavior. Is your concentration fully on the road, and have you planned your journey carefully? Is your speed appropriate for the conditions? Excessive speed for the conditions has been identified as a factor in 27% of incidents, which is why we have placed so much emphasis on the response to potential hazards. The most important aspect of this is to anticipate unsafe behaviors, slow down, and identify an escape route to avoid a possible collision. There is a 5th area within driving safety: the correlation between distance traveled and the number of incidents occurring. If we can reduce the number of journeys, the number of accidents will also drop. Ask yourself, is your trip really necessary?